a pleasure to share some knowledge, having gained some experience with our fellow members and the visitors, of course. So today's education slot, the topic I chose is taglines. Do you know what tagline is? I need to make this education a little interactive. So if someone can unmute and talk about taglines, what is taglines according to you? Anyone?
It's like summary of business. You can
Yeah, my
identity of
tagline
business.
is
Okay. So it speaks, right? Okay. So next slide, Sana. Why do you think taglines speak? So there are three types of working memories. There's a sensory memory, which works through senses. Then we have the short-term memory. This is some 30 seconds, which can accommodate only 7 items. So this is the short-term memory and long-term memory. So this is where we need to work on, right? Next slide. So what is a tagline? I asked you people what a tagline is. So let me give the definition of tagline, which according to me suits its purpose. A tagline is a small, memorable self-introduction that engages the other party's interest positively and creates an unbreakable connection between you and your product or service. Okay, so any introduction which will capture the other person's long term memory and create that unbreakable connection between you and the product and service that you are providing with the client. So, this is what a tagline is, according to me. Next, please. So, features of a tagline. Having said what a tagline is, let us understand what a tagline should be like. So, this is a glossy way to say that you need to get your brand, your message, your business information into the people's long term memory through your tagline. As I said, long term memory is something we need to work on for having a long lasting impression about our business. So this is a glossy way to embed, to engross on the long term memory of the public in general. It is the last thing you say in your 60 seconds to make people remember you. So tagline should always be uttered as the last feature of your 60 seconds or your elevator pitch when you are pitching your business to anybody. Next, please. So now coming to the importance of a tagline. Why do you think I should make a tagline for my business? I don't think it is important. Now let us understand why. Large corporate companies spend billions of pounds each year trying to get their brand and name into your long-term memory, hammering them into our long-term memory, not just once, every minute of your being their audience. So do you think are they fools? They are not. They are doing the best thing which is possible. They are utilizing the long-term memory of all their audience and making business happen and happen exponentially for them. Sooner the introduction of tagline, better the branding. The moment you establish a company, a venture, you should start introducing your tagline because that is how people perceive and relate your business to the tagline, and that is how the branding starts happening. So that is how it should be, and this is the best memory recall trick. You all should agree and would agree to this, that there are some businesses which are remembered by the tagline that they have made for themselves. So this is the best memory recall. Now let us see if these companies have succeeded or not. So now again a little interactive. I would request some of all of you to participate in this one by one. So I'll be putting up some taglines in front of you, and you have to guess which company it is. So let us test our long-term memory and how successful these companies have been to hammer upon us. Next slide, please, Anand. The taste of India.
Amul.
Yes. खुशियों की डिलीवरी.
Cadbury,
Domino's.
Domino's,
Okay.
देश का नमक.
Tata.
Tata.
टाटा सॉल्ट. दाग अच्छे हैं.
Surf
Share.
Excel,
सर्फ एक्सेल. Just do it.
Nike,
Okay.
Nike. Life's good.
LG,
LG. Think different.
Apple,
Apple.
Apple. God's own country.
Kerala.
Kerala.
Kerala. So, did you observe one thing that in all these taglines, they are not specific to one product, one segment of product. They were multi-segmental products, but the way the taglines have been designed, they have been hammered on you. You just cannot ignore the taglines. You have to remember the brand, the product with the tagline. So this is how important taglines become. Now let us come to this room and the members. Next slide, please, Swanan. So let us see if our Miyudyoja companies have succeeded or not. I'll present some taglines of our Miyudyojak members. So let us understand if we know those companies and their product services the way they want us to remember. Think computers, think A&D.
Ashish.
Yeah, it is R in full line.
R in full line, correct.
And the computers.
Making good happen.
Apex Financials.
Apex Financials, Anand sir. Making the world healthier and happier.
Rajeshri ma'am.
Rajeshri madam.
Fitness and breakfast studio, Rajeshri ma'am. We do interiors just the way you want.
Akshita Nikam. AB Nikam Private Limited, interior designer.
AB interior designers. And we are here as you matter the most.
The great
Prosculina.
Prosculina, that's my company. Thank you so much. So this tells us how good we know the companies, how good we have got across the audience. Next slide, please. Who here feels that they have a strong recognizable tagline they use every time when they are doing their 60 seconds presentation? If the answer is yes, congratulations, you are on the way to making a very successful business out of what you have started. But if the answer is no, let us introspect and find out the best tagline we can for us and target the audience and keep on hammering so that the tagline does its work and business happens for us. Next, please. Now, use a good and effective tagline so that people always remember you and always refer you. Taglines are also to gain references. There are some taglines which someone remembers for lifetime, and anytime there is some relation with the product and services of that brand, the taglines click and business also clicks. Next. With that, I would like to thank Swanan for giving me this opportunity and thank all of you for being patient listeners. Happy networking and happy business to all of you.
Awesome. Awesome.